Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire Lamp part number 53045178872. Frigidaire Lamp part number 53045178872 is a replacement light bulb for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is a 40-watt, 120-volt T8 appliance bulb. This lamp is designed to fit into the refrigerator's interior light socket and provide illumination when the door is opened. The lamp has a long life expectancy of up to 3,000 hours and features an energy-efficient design that helps reduce energy costs. It also features a shatter-resistant construction for added safety. This lamp is compatible with many Frigidaire refrigerator models and can be used as a direct replace. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement light bulb for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is used to replace a burned out or damaged light bulb in the refrigerator. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the light cover to the ceiling of the refrigerator. 3. Pull down on the light cover to remove it from the ceiling of the refrigerator. 4. Disconnect the wiring harness from the old lamp and remove it from the refrigerator. 5. Connect the wiring harness to the new lamp and insert it into place in the ceiling of the refrigerator. 6. Securely fasten the light cover back onto the ceiling of the refrigerator with screws. 7. Plug in your refrigerator and turn on your lights to T. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.